AGA2100 hydrostatic 2 cubic meter road sweeper with a rear-wheel drive system. The cab and the garbage dump can be tilted. Additionally, it can be designed to fit container or garbage vehicles. The machine uses a 400 mm brush, sweeping an area 2 meters wide. First, start up the machine and wait. If the vehicle is in gear like this, it won't start, so we put it in neutral. If our parking button is not in park, we put it in and then start it again. When the vehicle is in the parking position, we turn it off, put it in gear and move slowly. Engine oil pressure, temperature indicator, parking, oil circulation, oil temperature level, fuel indicator, water circulation signals, night brush lighting lamp, night work lamp, warning lamp. We put the vehicle in sweeping mode. While putting it in sweeping mode, we press the brush down, then we activate the fan. We can turn it to 100% from this button, then we activate the brushes. We also set this to 100%. Then we press the water button. We continue after turning on the water button. When large garbage comes in front of the suction mouth, while the vehicle is in sweeping mode, you can open it with this button by looking at the camera in the upper right corner. After the maintenance mouth lies on the track, you can release it again. If you want to empty the container into the garbage area, you can empty the garbage container by lifting it with this button. For filling water, we open the valve, then we open the filling valve. If there is a fire filling valve, we connect it here. If not with tap water, you can use tap filling and wrap it with this hole and inside. For changing the brush, you should open these 3 bolts. After removing it, you take out this plate, you attach a new plate, and after bringing it back here, reattach the bolts. After tightening it, there is a setting screw here. To make the brush durable, you stop it with the screw here. As soon as the brush touches the ground, after stopping, only the front part will press on the ground. After pressing the 45 degrees part, the position of the brush is like this. When the vehicle's engine oil maintenance is to be done, we find a container that can hold 14 liters of oil and place it under the right side of the car. There is a blank plug there. We remove the blank plug, drain the engine oil there. During engine oil maintenance, we change the fuel filter. Then change the oil filter here, 2 of them. Our fuel chassis filter, we open the shutter. The fuel chassis filter is here. The vehicle engine oil dipstick and indicator are here and should be checked daily. The engine coolant, the antifreeze location to be checked daily. The cap is here and will be checked daily from here. The air filter to be checked daily on the vehicle. We remove this air filter like that and clean this air filter daily. We hold the filters with air. These filters need to be changed every 100 hours of maintenance. So there are places on this vehicle that need to be lubricated on certain days of the week. There are places to be lubricated in the brush system with 3 at the back and 4 at the front with red caps here. The high pressure washing hose of the vehicle is here. The hose is 8 meters long and when attaching it, you pull this jack back and attach it like this. We frequently receive questions from our customers. These are usually about the vacuum not working. The questions are based on sieves and the sieves need to be cleaned. If dirt has passed through the sieves, a bag of dirt has passed into the center of the upper vacuum. It needs to be removed by hand. There is a place to remove it here. If it's not from that, there is dirt in the chimney. A branch or large garbage may be clogged. They can be cleaned. If the front of the vacuum mouth is misaligned and closing to the ground or too high, it is not pulling. If the vehicle does not operate, firstly, we should check if the main switch is on or off. If it is on and the battery is low, we will look at the level indicator of our battery. Here is the level indicator. You can see that it is green. If it's not green, we will start it with the booster with 24 volts. If it's not from the battery, if a fuse has blown, the electrical panel is here. We will look at the electrical fuses from our schema here. We will find the fuse from this box by its number and replace it. This is the isolator. Switch it. If it is like this, it is closed. If it is like this, it is open. If the vehicle gives an air filter warning, we remove the air filter. After cleaning, we put it back to turn off the light. We remove this sensor. The sensor holds air, then we put it back in place. If the oil warning light is on while driving the vehicle, we can check it on the screen and can see it from the oil level indicator here. If the oil level is low, we can add 46 number oil to the vehicle to bring it to this level and turn off the warning. The oil maintenance of the vehicle is as follows. Every 100 hours, oil, fuel filter and engine oil are changed. This vehicle requires oil maintenance every 200 hours. The engine belt and air conditioning belt need to be changed every 500 hours. The air filter needs to be changed after this process in the maintenance of the vehicle. If the system's working on the brushes, suction mouth and suction mouth wheels are also finished at this time. They also need to be changed. These are the seals that need to be changed every 500 hours or when turned or broken. The tank neck ventilation and the lid seal in the rubbish bin need to be changed. It's aimed while changing the oil system of the vehicle. After changing the engine oil and filters every 100 hours, this vehicle system is the system that works with hydraulics and has a 46 number oil system. In this vehicle, there is a suction, a return filter and a low pressure filter inside the oil tank every 500 hours. These need to be changed every 500 hours. If something like water or diesel is mistakenly put into this oil tank, the entire system needs to be drained and the oil renewed immediately.